With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So our question is, show that an infinite number of triangles can be inscribed in a rectangular hyperbola xy minus c square is equal to 0, whose all sides touches the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Now first draw this thing. This is what, sorry. This is, we have y and x axis. Okay. This is y and x axis. Now first I want to draw a graph of what y square is equal to 4ax. So this is something like it. Okay, this is something like that. Now again, I want to draw a graph of what xy is equal to. I can write this thing as xy is equal to c square. So the graph of this thing can be given as what? This is something like that. And again, this is something like that. Okay, now just move ahead a little bit. Okay, now this is what this is saying that inscribed in a rectangular hyperbola, okay, whose all sides touches the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So basically, if I draw a rough diagram of a triangle, so this triangle would be something like that. This is a point A and this is point B. This is something like that. Okay, this is something like that. Okay, now so first we need to find this point. How can you find? Now this x is equal to what? C square upon y. This is c square upon y. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute the value of x in this thing. So this is what? Y square is equal to 4. Okay, this is, we have what? A c square upon y. Okay, so this becomes what? This will be like y cube is equal to 4 a c square. Okay, so y is equal to what? This will be 4 a c square to the power 1 by 3. Okay, no problem. And here we have what? X is equal to c square upon 4a. This is what? This will be like c square to the power 1 by 3. This point will be what? This point will be x comma y, that is what? C square upon 4a c square to the power 1 by 2, 1 by 3, not 2. This is what? 4a c square to the power 1 by 3. Okay, now see this thing. If I say that this point is fixed, because if I move ahead from this point, so that will be what happened. Now this point will be outside from the rectangular parabola. Okay, and if I join this point with this hyperbola, that means what? The one side will not be touches this parabola. That means what? Our condition is invalid. So the only possibility is what? This point, this one point must be fixed, and this 2 point will be moved. Now this 2 point will be moved. So how much we draw the triangle? Now if I say that this point is fixed, then other points will be what? The other points will be something like that. This will be like something like that. This is something like that. Okay, this is something like that. You can draw a many triangle as you want, because the one point is fixed and the 2 points is moving. That's why you can draw as many as triangle as you want. That means what? I can draw infinite triangle from this diagram. So what I can say, that the number of triangles I can draw in this inscribed this rectangular hyperbola will be what? Infinite. Okay, so this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.